So this is where we are going to have our lunch. Sorry. This is Tebasari. So we will go inside. This is part of their menu, but I will show you the full menu later. So this is how it looks inside. There is a pond here. Very nice to be seated here. Here's a pond. And some rice fields there. This is a very nice place to have lunch. So this is the story of the Tebasari Resto. And this is their appetizer. Chef's special today. Main courses. Tebasari. His favorites. Chicken satay, fish satay also. Okay, so what will we order? This is the appetizer. They gave us a drink. This is purple yam, and this is ginger.
And the drink.
And the ginger. This one, potato chips. So we will try it, and I will let you know how it tastes. So we will try the potato chips.
With the chili. With the chili.
Without the chili first,
oh, with
then it's sweet and very crunchy. We'll try with the sambar.
No, sambar.
Sambar, huh?
Better?
There's more flavor in the sambar. It's more savory and there's also a kick of spice. The purple yam we will try. Try naman natin itong ano, ginger with lemon. Very gingery, may slight kick of lemon, pero sweet din siya. So we'll try the nasi goreng first. The noodles is very firm. It's very savory. We'll try to put it with the egg. It became more creamy with the addition of the egg. We'll try the chicken skewer. Oh, I'm sorry, use fish here. The fish is very soft and moist. It's a little bit bland. With just a little bit of sauce. So we'll try the chicken fillet. The breading is very crunchy. chicken is very soft and moist. Now we'll try the nasi goreng with some peanut. It became more savory. We'll try the beef. Katay. The beef is a little bit rubbery. It would have been better if they had some more sauce with it, because it's really bland, but it's good. So the mee goreng is very savory and it's very good. You should try it here. The satays, the ones my cousin had, were all good because it had the peanut sauce and the shrimp. But for me, since I don't eat shrimp, they cannot give me the sauce, so it was just grilled and it was a little bit bland. But the rest of the chicken fillet I also enjoyed, and the flavor of the mee goreng was enhanced with the addition of the egg. So if you ever pass by this area in Bali, try this restaurant. It's also good. So I hope you liked our video for today. If you liked our video, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will be updated whenever I will have a new upload. So until my next video, this has been Lorraine reminding you that God loves you. Bye.